This is the lamp. It's a UVB bulb. I'm using it for my corn snake. There is a way to pop this little piece out and you can add more to it. This is a lot smaller than I was expecting, but it'll be fine. I'm putting it right on top of the mesh, but it does have all of the pieces to mount it, put it however you want it on there. I'm literally just gonna set it like this and flip it on. I've got all my stuff on timers up there, so that'll be super easy. Oh, it's a 4 watt, that's why. Okay. I was thinking it looked a little not bright, but it's a 4 watt, that's why. I normally would use an 8 watt, but this is fine. This is fine. Yeah, that's it. It's nice. It's very small. This would be perfect for like a 10 gallon. I have a 30, so I might end up getting the little piece. It has a thing here to where you can add more to it and extend it. I might end up doing that actually. I don't know. It's got all the stuff to mount it however you want. And just the, on-off switch right here.